So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do some simple multiplication answers and division. So in the last video, we did subtraction and addition. Both sort of the same, but also not. But we're still going to make a division and multiplication. Now the symbols for these is, you might know this, I don't know, maybe. Okay, this is the multiplication one. And then this is division. So we're gonna do multiplication first because it's easier. So let's do an easy one. 2 times 3. Now some people can do it another way. I'll show you that later. Let me do that 3 again. There. Okay, so don't forget the line. So in this equation, you don't all know what 2 plus 3 is, right? Well, it is 5, but in this, it's different. It's not addition. So in this, you basically have to do like the opposite. Okay, so to explain this well, let's do multiplication is just like 2 groups of 3 because it's 2 times 3. So let's do 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now as you can see, this is how much the two groups, and this is the 2 groups of 3. So we got that, but the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer is 6. So if we did this in an equation, we like this, right? But you can think of it like counting in your head. Okay, so I know 2 plus 3 is 5, but we need to make 2 groups of 3. So let's make 2 groups of 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's 2 groups of 3 right there. And that is 6, right? Well, in this, same thing, you just write 6. So the answer is 6. Now, let's do another one, but this is gonna be a bit harder. How about 4 times 5? Now, in your head, or you can do this on paper if you have paper near you, or go and get a paper. In your head, I want you to think, try to figure out this answer. If you want, you can pause the video, give as much time as you need. Okay? So 4 times 5. Now what does that equal? Remember, it's just 4 groups of 5. And you can do this on a piece of paper. This. And then the 5 group. And don't add an extra one here for like the 4 group, because then it would be wrong, because it'd be 6 times 4. We don't want that, right? Yeah. So just add 5 right here. And then add it under here, yeah. That's a little bit messy, but it's not even 5. So let's, okay, so pause the video. Okay, so let's do this equally. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, some people think this says like, let's count this in fives. 5, 10, wait, 5, 10, 15, no wait, 5, 10, 15, 20. So they can count in fives, or they can just do the group side. But really, it's the group is the five, counting by fives is easier. Still, you do not forget the underline, and make sure if you have the test on this, remember to do this correctly. Now this is in grade 3, I believe. Do this in grade 3. So, yeah, let's get to the rest of the video. Okay, so division. Well, really, it's the opposite of multiplication. So, it is. So you can do this pretty easily. So, okay, let's do an easy one that we did in multiplication. 3. What the heck is that? Now what? Okay, 3 divided. There's another way to do this. I'll show you. 2. And then mark. Never forget that line. If you forget the line, you could do wrong on your test, okay? So please don't forget this line. It's important. So, really, this is just the opposite. In multiplication, we know that the answer is 6 because we did this, right? So, the answer should be 3 to... Oh, no. I did this wrong. Dang it. Should be like... Okay, guys, I'm sorry I did this wrong. 6 divided by 2. Now, we know that 3 times... We know that... That was awkward. We know that 6 times 2... Weird line, but... So we know that 2 times 3 is 6. So why don't we just do the opposite? Because we know 2 times 3 is 6. But we need to get the answer, put it on right in the division question, and take one of the factors. And I'll explain what factors are later. One of the factors, and put them in to the equation. So what we're gonna do here is 6 divided by 2. So let's turn that into 2 groups. So this is 1 group, 2 groups. Now we should count to 6. 1, 2, 3. Wait, that's bad. Okay, so let's count to 6. 1, 2, 3, right? That's 1 group. 1, 2, 3. So that's 2 groups of 3. So the answer is 3. That's a bad 3. I do not know what's wrong with my 3s. Okay, let's just do that later. Okay, we'll do, should we do another one? Should I explain the other way? I'll do the other way. So, to do here, the other way. So this, some people say it's a house, sort of. So, let me just do this better. Okay, so, you're supposed to put the answer on the top, and to factor the answer to multiplication here and the factor here. So what we're going to do in here is we're going to put 6, which is the answer, 3, the factor. 6 times 3 is what is it? 6 times 3 2 times 3 is 6. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually put 6 divided by 3, and like we know that it's 2 again. So that's the other way. I like doing it this way rather than this way. So I would rather choose that one over this one. So if you guys understand that, I will explain factors in another video. If you guys understand that and you want some more, please hit a comment down below. Like this video, subscribe. Yeah, so I am gonna get better equipment soon. So yeah, we are done. Thank you for watching, and make sure you check out some other channels. You know, if you subscribe, you can check some other channels that I like. So yeah, if you want, you can do that, and I hope we can get a lot of views on this. So, and if you want to make a separate channel for gaming, a separate channel for math, and like, yeah, I can do that if you guys want. So yeah, thank you, and we will see you in another video. Goodbye.